Wow.
It's toy corner.
Where are you going?
To the sea animals.
What kind of animals?
The farm animals.
Yay! Let's go.
Let's go in there.
You gonna go there? What is that? Is that a look like big red barn?
Yeah.
Oh wow, Lily! Who's here? Look! Look here! They're so cute! They cute?
Yes. I wish we could have a rabbit.
You wish you have a pet rabbit?
Yeah.
What he's doing?
It's eating.
Is he eating the bark out of the tree branch? Yay!
I'm playing my puppy.
He's so cute! Yay! What's going on? What is here?
See?
What is this? What do you think? What animal is this?
Look.
Wow! These are ducks. And he's trying to look. They're cleaning their feathers. You see?
Yeah, so you can be dirty.
Yeah. Lily, you wanna see what is this?
A turtle.
Is that a turtle shell? Who is hiding? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! These are buttercup chickens. Chickens? Yeah. They're beautiful. Oh look, one is running. This one doesn't have like a feathers on his tail.
Ooh,
Over there. So cute. Look,
that one's great.
she's drinking water. Yeah. Oh wow, you can see them better from here too.
Oh wow!
What?
Right there!
What is this? Domestic Domestic turkey.
Ton behind him, huh?
Oh wow.
Yeah, there's little beads.
He's hiding his head. Wow. So cool. You think we will be able to see him? There's a one more inside. Look. You see on this little ladder? There's that turkey female probably sitting.
Oh, she's a mommy. Oh, look at his tail.
Oh wow, turkey turn around. Yay. Lily, what turkey says? Ah, yay. Look.
Look at his claws.
He's huge and so beautiful.
Look at his claws.
Oh yeah. Yes.
Claws. Oh.
And he hides his tail, stretching his leg.
Yep.
Yay.
Bye, turkey.
Bye, turkey.
What is this, Lily? Eggs? Oh, is it dirty?
Yeah. How about here?
Look, who hatched from the egg? Is that Lily?
I want to go in there.
Are you hatching from the egg? You wanna go there? Okay. Yay! Are you hatching? Are you hatching from the egg?
No.
No?
No, this is a dinosaur egg.
Dinosaur egg?
Yeah.
Why not? Sure. Or maybe ostrich egg?
Dinosaur.
Lily? Goats. Did you pet a goat before?
Yeah.
They're nice, yes?
In here.
And put it right under their mouth like this, okay?
More. Can I pet him?
The
You can totally pet them, yeah. Are super sweet.
oh. Wow. No face, yes? What's going on? Oh, he doesn't want it anymore? Okay, let's try to take some more food. Ooh. Did you drop one? Yeah. He's hungry. Oh. You want more? You're so gentle. Oh. Can I touch you too? Oh.
He's so cute.
He's so cute. You wanna try to brush now? You wanna try to brush? Okay.
Brush, Marcel.
The leg, yeah. You're so smart.
Can I brush her?
Yes, you can have the brush from here. Look, brushes are here.
Now don't brush his face, okay? Don't brush his face.
Yeah, the lady told us not to brush the face, just the yeah.
Oh, you brush it. Man, this one's hard.
It's messy.
Yeah.
They're messy.
That's cool, Lily. Oh wow, one is moving. Come here. Come here. Yeah. They coming to us. And there's a sheep. What animal is this? Sheep? You want to feed them or be gentle, okay? Oh, you're dropping. Okay. Over here. Wow. So pretty. Look, we have a rooster over here. Did you see this? So pretty.
Thank you.
What is this? What is this? Pretend cow? You're so smart. Lily, who's here? Who's here behind you? What? Is that a piggy?
Piggy.
Piggy.
He needs a bath.
Oh yeah. He needs what? He needs a bath. Why do you say that?
Because he's dirty.
He's dirty? This is guinea hog. I never seen this one in my life. How you like it?
Like it, I'm trying to get in there.
Oh, you cannot get in there. No. Who is here? Camu, and Cow is eating. The pony. Oh. He's going to get a food. Pony. That's a pretty big pony. What you doing? What Lily's doing? Are you hiding?
Yeah.
Did you get tired?
Yep.
It's mommy.
I'm going that ride.
You want to go for that ride?
Round thingy.
Okay. Yay! Lily, what is this?
A ride.
What animal you want?
White tiger.
Wow, okay. And you want to go alone with Daddy?
My own.
Okay.
Hey, Mommy.
Hi, Lily. What you doing? You on the tiger? Are you going to hold tight? Yay! Hi, Lily.
Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.